चांद ने कुछ कहा, रात ने कुछ सुना, तू भी सुन बेखबर, प्यार कर, हो प्यार कर.
For me, what has happened is that one shot that I give in front of the camera, that is important. नमस्ते जी, मैं हूँ सुरेंद्र सानी और जी मेरी गुड लक है कि आपसे फेस टू फेस बात करने का मुझे मौका मिल रहा है जी.
I love you, किरण.
I love saying डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल नहीं नामुमकिन. I love it.
वादों से अपने मुकरता नहीं.
Every year, the crowd grows louder. Every cheer, every banner, every teardrop. A love story that's lasted 3 decades.
आंखें खुली हो या बंद, दीदार उनका होता है, कैसे कहूँ मैं प्यार कैसे होता है.
60 years of life, 30 years of magic. And still, the same smile, the same energy, the same sparkle that connects a billion dreams. This isn't just the story of a superstar. It's the journey of a man who became a memory for every generation. Before he became the Badshah of Bollywood, he was just a Delhi boy, chasing an impossible dream. No filmy background, no godfather, only conviction. And that unshakable confidence in front of the camera.
Rishi Kapoor was an established leading man, and he was a very well established and loved hero and a leading man. But he felt the impact as well of this newcomer, because it was a movie that was shared by them. Rishi could definitely impact what ye kaun hai.
You know, Shahrukh, it seemed like when I knew you during our theatre days, it seemed like you knew where you are headed towards. It was almost like he knew where he was going and how to get there.
जब मैं यहाँ पर आया था, I never thought I cannot be part of this world because I'm an outsider. I believed यही मेरी दुनिया है. And to be honest, everybody in the film industry from day one embraced me with open arms, like a new sun landing on Marine Drive. So I felt like ये दुनिया मेरी है, ये जगह मेरी है, because I believed this is the world I want to belong to. And I lost, I think in 24 hours, one whole family, and I gained a new family. So I think what is important is to believe you want to be part of this world, make those choices. Ambition, hunger, pain, problems, those are just lofty words. You just need to be determined. ये मेरी दुनिया है और मुझे यहाँ पर काम करना है. I had the ability, I had the skill, maybe a little bit, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, इतना talented नहीं हूँ मैं, but I had lots of hard work, and that's all you need to make a place for yourself if you're an outsider. Yeah.
It's been 30 years and this film has been running here at Maratha Mandir for 30 years non-stop. 11:30 in the morning every day. All these people are here to watch Dilwale Dulhania, and I don't know how many times they have watched it.
I was in 10th, that's 16 years when I first watched this movie.
Welcome to India.
Thank you.
Tell me, what are you looking forward? What have you heard about this film? First, tell me that.
So first of all, like it started with us discovering about this single screen cinemas. So we thought it would be a cool experience to watch something in this like old, historical building. And then I found out that they screened this like classic cult movie here. So yeah, we just decided to give a shot.
राज, अगर तुझसे ये प्यार करती है तो ये जरूर पलट.
He was never afraid to stand apart. He didn't want to be another hero. He just wanted to be unforgettable.
गोरी 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 कभी कभी कहीं कहीं चोरी चोरी गोरी 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 कभी कभी कहीं कहीं चोरी चोरी छुप छुप के तुम मिला करो प्यारी प्यारी बातें बातें किया करो पर यूं ना मिलना किसी से कभी हमारे सिवा
I want to, if I was, it's a bad thing to say, I'm not a pessimist, but if I was to go away from this world, I'd like to go away as a star, being recognized on the roads. I'm very clear about it.
Ambitious, yes, but grounded, always. That mix made him unstoppable.
I'll do anything. For acting, I'll do anything. But if I'm supposed to be just me, I get very awkward and I'm quite reclusive and antisocial that way.
To be on a feature set, where I'm a director and he's my actor, I didn't have this experience before. And to just see him be part of the team, he left his starness. Of course, all of us still would consider him what he is. He left it outside the door and he was part of the team. And so gentle, he's just respectful, and he's like, even before he wants to see his shot, he's asking me, can I see the monitor? And I'm like, please, take my check.
चिपक चिपक के चलती है कभी कभी दो राहें
जुड़े जुड़े कुछ ऐसे कि लगा हो जैसे गम
डबल डबल होती थी जो कभी कभी तकलीफें
किसी के संग चलने से हुई हमसे कम
ओ तेरा मेरा मेरा तेरा तेरा मेरा मेरा तेरा
किस्सा तिरंगी
कभी कभी चलती है कभी कभी रुकती कहानी बेढंगी
जो कुछ हम कर सकें इसी मोमेंट में, इसी पल में, उसी में हमको खुश रहना चाहिए, उसी के अंदर हमें पूरी ज़िंदगी जी लेनी चाहिए, क्योंकि क्या पता कल हो ना हो।
मुसाफिर हूँ मैं दूर का, दीवाना हूँ मैं धूप का, मुझे ना भाए ना भाए ना भाए चावरे।
I think with him, I've just kind of observed everything growing up, and I think more than an actor, he's an excellent, super best actor, I think. But I think I've learned a lot from him as a human being also. He has this personality where he makes everyone around him feel so special, so warm, even though he's like the king. So that's something that's really admirable about him.
I've never felt the desire. Yes, whenever I failed, I have always felt the failure twice as much than I would, because I never do it personally. कि मेरी film flop हो गई, मेरा काम खराब हो गया. So I go through these pangs that I've let down lots of people around the world, because I know in 35 years बहुत सारे लोग बहुत प्रेम से, बहुत दिल में चाह रखकर मेरी फिल्म देखने आते हैं कि हम एंटरटेन होंगे, हम खुश होंगे. तो जब मैं गंदी पिक्चर बनाता हूं ना, तो मुझे बहुत ज्यादा मैं पर्सनली लेता हूं, एज इफ आई हैव मे बी इंसल्टेड द ट्रस्ट दैट दे हैव इन मी.
रहबरा मेरे रहबरा हो तुझसे वास्ता, तू मंजिल है और तू ही उस मंजिल
When he spread his arms, time stopped. When he smiled, the screen glowed. He didn't just act in love stories. He made us fall in love with the idea of love itself.
आई ऐसी रात है जो बहुत खुश नसीब है, चाहे जिसे दूर से दुनिया वो मेरे करीब है.
From Deepika and my film Om Shanti Om, I feel like the king of the world.
आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं, हो आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं.
बड़े बड़े शहरों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती हैं.
Say something, na? Say a nice romantic line, na?
अंजलि मेरी आंखों में देखो.
Okay.
Of course, he's done myriad of roles, from Abhimanyu Rai, in Fauji to Chagte to Daru to DDLG. So there is more to him than the lover boy, but there is love within him. He portrays all kinds of love in a very Shah Rukh Khan unique, special way.
Shah Rukh's love stories weren't scripted. They were lived, one heartbeat at a time.
Now we are in Switzerland. I arrive and just outside our hotel in Sarnen, we were all living in one building, was this beautiful bridge. And I think there was Shah Rukh shooting a scene with Kajal in a suit. And for me, it felt like he was there waiting for me. So it was that moment, and it was just like, oh my God, this man is too beautiful. And of course, then the charm oozes and everything. So that was the first time, for me, that's my first meeting actually. Just him on this bridge, over this little brook, and me just arriving from my flight. So I feel it was a magical moment.
उनका पोस्टर मेरे घर पे हुआ करता था मेरे कमरे में, and I've always been a huge fan of it. उनका फैशन स्टाइल जो DDLJ का फैशन स्टाइल था वो काफ़ी कॉपी किया मैंने स्कूल में, और थैंकफुली मेरे डिम्पल भी था तो मैं उनकी मिमिक्री भी करता था.
देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए ना कोई कहानी.
Generations changed, the faces on the screen changed.
धीरे धीरे बन जाए ना कोई कहानी.
But when it came to love, the answer was always Shah Rukh Khan.
To say that I love you or to say that I am a big fan of yours would be like belittling my emotion, that too with a cliche. But I'll still say that I love you.
Thank you, Parul. I love you too.
For him, the spotlight isn't a place to stand. It's a space to earn. Behind every effortless scene, there's precision, preparation, and relentless curiosity.
Shah Rukh, I think what one would always learn is the fact that after so many years in the industry, his dedication that he brings on the table and his focus. He comes on the set every day as dedicated as a newcomer and as passionate as a newcomer for that shot, for every scene. I remember in Zero, he was giving me cues even when he was not on camera, and he was giving like proper performing his cues. And it's phenomenally inspiring.
It's never been अब मैं रईस करूँगा
तो मैं romantic role से चला जाऊंगा. You know, when I'm doing this film, I'll be very honest, I've never seen Imtiaz's films. I spent 20 days with him while discussing the film, and I realized this is like no other love story that I've done. I'm very grateful for Raj and Rahul, and sometimes it saddens me that I still can't come out of his skin as an actor and say, listen, I'm Harry or X or Y or Z, and there will be a different emotion of romance at different ages, stages, and by the writer's perception.
Ability to understand the whole vision of the film, not just his character arc, you know. So he's looking at it as a whole. He's, like I said, he's a team player. He gets what that role is. He has imbibed it to its very core, wearing linen pants which he hates, and from there to his, you know, beard to what he wants to bring to the character.
What truly makes him larger than life is how effortlessly he makes every person feel seen. At 60, he's not looking back. He's charging ahead. Every decade, he's found a new way to tell a story.
Shah Rukh Khan, ladies and gentlemen, globally renowned actor and producer, delivers a powerhouse performance in Jawan, bringing to life a hero.
Happy birthday, Shah Rukh Khan, the boy who became a star, the star who became a legend, and the legend who became a feeling.